no, here, this is company quoted. You have to go to general data. In that, control data. Here we have the vendor number. Okay, what is the vendor number for the same housekeeping guy?
79. 79.
And that is the connection. I need to give the connection here. 79, this guy. Right? Save it. So you'll get a warning message. Vendor 79 is not currently referenced and will be updated accordingly. What it says is, same I will update in the vendor master also. This is customer master, na? In the customer master, I am updating the vendor number. As a system, what it will do smartly, in the vendor master, it will automatically update the customer master. Either way you can do, both. Okay, done, na? Now you see. So when I go to my vendor master, FK02, and here when I check my control data, you can see. Control data here, customer number, is it got, is updated automatically?
Yes.
So this vendor, this customer, both are same.
So once go back, sir. When FK02.
FK02, FK02, control data tab. End of the day, we will have it in the control data. General data and the general control. Is that clear? Got it, everybody? Yeah. So you can update here also, or you can update in the FD02. Both ways you can.
Sir, your
Here
voice
also.
is little bit low, sir.
Low?
Yes,
Okay,
little bit.
just 1 minute. Yeah, now it's better.
Mm.
We updated today.
Yeah, now it's better.
Yes, sir. No.
Okay.
Hello.
So now, yes, ma.
Sir,
Sir, now it's
what
fine.
you update today? I don't understand what we do today.
You joined late?
Yes, sir. I joined 10 minutes late.
Okay. So if I join on time, guys, our class is starting bang on exactly 7:30 we started. Correct or
Yes, sir.
not? So join
Yes, sir.
all of you join on time, guys. I told you. Correct? We'll
Okay.
start at 7:30 sharp every day. Okay, now what I'm saying is, see, when you join few minutes late, what will happen? Introduction you will miss. Then you don't understand the topic. Na?
That's why, yes, sir.
So, see what I'm saying is, now our vendor is our customer also.
Okay.
Right? Our vendor is our customer also. Correct? So I am buying from him. And he is also buying from me. Correct? So I am buying raw material. He is buying finished goods from me. Okay, I will tell you one example. Now, a tea seller is there. Best example. Now, a tea powder supplier is there. Correct? Tea powder supplier is a vendor or customer?
Vendor.
Vendor.
Vendor. Now, will that now that tea powder supplier he wants to have tea? Will you say you are my vendor? You cannot have a.
No, sir.
So he
No.
can be customer.
Yes. Yes.
So what we can do? We can set off. See, when now whatever money he has to pay, he will deduct from that and pay. Na?
Yes.
Got it? Correct or not? So here we have customer vendor open items. We have 30,000. Customer open items 50,000. This is the money we have to pay to vendor. This is the money we have to pay to this same party. Correct. So we have A1 housekeeping services, which is a vendor and customer also. Correct. So what I want to do now? I want to set off these 30,000 items from 50,000. Receive balance 20,000.
20,000.
So I'm not paying 30,000 separately, not receiving 50,000 separately. I
Okay.
am deducting this 30,000 from 50,000 and receiving 20,000. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
That is the topic we are doing.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now So how to do this? First, we need to go to either way. We can go to FD02, go to control data, give customer number there. Is that clear? Yeah. Or go to FD02.
FK02.
This is also this is FK02. This is FD0. Go to control data, give
Vendor.
vendor number. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So both ways you can do. It will update either way. So if you go give here, it will update vendor customer master. If you give in customer master, it will update vendor master automatically. Okay? Yeah. Now already I have given. So I have created my vendor number is 79000 and I have given him 5100T. This is my customer number. This is my vendor number for the same party. Correct? Yeah. So this is my vendor number for A1 housekeeping. This is my customer number for the same A1 housekeeping. Correct? Okay. So now first let me check what open items I have. So everybody is clear on the topic I am discussing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that control data assignment, can you once again show that out, sir?
Yeah, you can go to FK02. You can go and then go to control data,
Okay.
press enter and then give customer number here. For the same party, whatever customer number you got, na, that
Okay.
number you give. Either way. So if you do one place, opposite side, it will automatically update. Right? Yeah. Or you can go to FD02. When you are creating the customer itself, you can give this. Correct? In the general data, this is general data. Na? General data, control data, you have. Okay, clear? Yeah. So
Sir,
here also, yes, ma?
51003 we created none.
We created today. For this
Okay.
A1 housekeeping, to create him as a customer, we create.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. We cannot, we have to first create him as a customer party, na?
Yes.
That's okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check my open items now. FBL1 and background noise.
Rajendra.
Yeah. Okay, so let me create my
Open
customer
item.
open items. Na?
98.
98. No, one open item is there.
TDS.
TDS open item is there. Okay. Okay, so first we will clear this one off so that you are clear. F dash 53. Na? Right. Let me clear this one up so that our topic is clear. Yeah, 14th February. Yeah, understandable. Now amount, what is it?
98.
98,000. Vendor number
79.
17. Process open. Okay, selected na? Post this. Done? So now what is this one now?
It will be 60.
So if I go to FBL1N, I
No
have
open
no
items.
open items. So customer also no open items.
Yes, sir.
FBL5 and just now I created, na? There are no open items. Okay, good. So now what I do? First, let me now TDS and all, I don't want to get into TDS. So what I do, I'll just deactivate TDS for now. Because there's no 98 was there. Na? Again, TDS entry will come. So what I do, I just deactivate for the time being. How to deactivate? Withholding tax. Withholding taxes. Extended withholding tax. Correct na? Company code. Activate withholding tax. Position, what is your company code?
ZDP.
ZAPL. Na? Yeah, deactivate this. Otherwise, TDS will come every time we post. Now we have understood. No?
Yes.
Just we will go ahead. Yeah, present, done. So now we will take it as a full amount. So slash n. Now I will post FD60 invoice. Yeah. So invoice for what amount I will post now?
98.
Invoice for what amount? Here, as per our example.
30,000.
Vendor invoice how much?
30,000.
30,000.
Customer open item how much?
50,000.
So what we want to do here? We want to knock off this and receive only.
20,000.
You understand now? Okay, let us. So I will post a vendor invoice. 14. Then amount how much? 30,000.
30,000.
Okay, my expense account, whatever, 4,81,000 or whatever. Keep it. Put star na here. Star here, enter. Good. Okay, so 30,000 open item I create. Save. Okay, next what I do? Slash n customer invoice na FD
70.
70. Okay, now my customer number is
51,003.
51003.
Right.
Invoice date today. Amount how much? 50.
50,000. 50,000.
50 na customer invoice.
50.
50. Put star here. Correct? Yeah. Customer invoice for what amount?
50,000.
50,000. So if I go to FBL 5N, what is the picture now?
50,000.
50,000 is there, correct? Yeah. But if I have one item here, you see here, if you go down, we already discussed everything. Normal did I discuss?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Special items I discussed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Noted items I discussed.
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Parked items we discussed.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now vendor item. Customer line item, I am looking vendor items. You understand? Okay. So this is FBL 5N or FBL 1N?
5N.
FBL 5N.
So in a customer line item, I want to see vendor line items also. Is that clear? Because the same customer is my vendor also, no? So will it show me my vendor items now?
Yes.
Yes, you can see. Is that clear? So
Yes,
50,000 A1 housekeeping, A1 housekeeping. Correct? This is 50,000 positive, 50,000, 30,000 negative. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to receive. How much I have to receive now?
20,000.
20,000.
Correct, now? So you understood now? So here we have vendor option also there, na, at the bottom here. We have vendor option. Got it? Same way I can see in FBL
Yes.
And
1N also. 1N, na vendor.
Customer
So
items. Yeah.
you can select customer item.
customer
You can
items.
see both there also. If your payment amount is more, then you have to pay, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct? If it is this is 70,000, then you will pay 20,000, na?
Yes.
Is that clear? Yeah, depends who is on the positive side. Clear, everybody able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I have to pay or I have to receive?
We have
You
to receive
have to receive.
Receive. How much we have to receive?
20,000.
Where I will receive?
F-28.
Yeah.
That's 28.
28. Go. Give the date. Give the bank account. Give the amount how much?
20,000.
1,000. Customer number
79.
51,003.
3.
Sir, once.
Yeah, this is F-28, ma.
Okay.
This is F-28, na? So many times we have done. Normal F-28, okay? Yeah, then what you do, you select other accounts also. Select other accounts. Okay, other accounts, process open items. Here, which account is that? It is a vendor, na?
79.
Vendor. Account type you have to give. K, na? Account type
Yeah.
is what? K, na? Vendor.
That
Okay, vendor number
79.
79 you give. Okay, company code same, na?
ZAP.
ZAPL only. And then your standard open item, it is normal open item, not special. Continue. Now you see. Valid? How much we are receiving now?
20,000.
Right. So it's a very typical entry, you see now. You will see. Document simulate. Connect. So debit the money, 20,000. Correct. And then credit the customer, 50,000. From that debit, 30,000 vendor. What is this 28? Where I can see this 28?
OB41.
OB40. See, what is 28? Okay. Slash n OB41. Na? Yeah, what is 28? You see. What is 28? Payment clearing. Okay. 28. Payment clearing. Debit vendor.
Debit to
Got it? Okay. So this is it. Right? Understood? Now again, I will show you. How I have done, I will show you. F-28. You go like this. Give the date. Give the bank account. Give the amount. How much we have to receive now? 20,000. Customer number. One number what? 51003. Select other accounts. Note down. Process open items. Then you give the
contact.
account type here. Vendor na. Give the vendor number. Give the company code. Standard OIS you select. Press enter. Okay, it will pick up. Got it? Now you post. Document, simulate, and you post. That's it. All items are clear now? Yeah.
So,
So if I go to FBL 1N, do we have any open items for this guy now?
No.
Knocked off. If I go to FBL 5N, do we have any open items for this same guy?
oh,
Is that clear? So vendor as customer or customer as vendor. Either way. Got it? Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
can you show once that you have removed the TDS? No? Can you show that once?
That one. Same step number 13 in your TDS notes. In your TDS notes, step number 13. Where you activate, same place you deactivate. Okay, here withholding tax, extended withholding tax, company code, activate withholding tax. Here, position your company code. You can deactivate and you can move forward. Not on the path. This is there in your.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Good. So now we have completed, we have a reasonable understanding of the accounts payable and accounts receivable. Now we are ready for the taxes. Correct. Because whenever I am buying something, I pay the tax. Whenever I am selling something, we collect the tax. Agree? Correct. Whenever you are selling something, you are selling to the customer, we add tax and collect the tax. Correct or not? Whenever
yes.
you are buying, that vendor will collect the tax from you. Agree with me? Yeah. So here there is a concept called input tax. Okay, input tax, output tax. Okay, what is input tax? Input tax is the tax Kada? Is the tax, input tax is the tax what? Paid to vendor at the time of purchases. Is that clear? Next, output tax
Collecting from
is
the
that
Tax
is that
received from
tax collected
customer
from customer
at the time of
at the
sale.
time of
selling the goods.
sales. Okay, no doubt.
Sir, I have one question.
Hmm.
Related to vendor and customer.
Hmm.
You explained in the point of AR, so I'm currently in AP. So
Yeah.
I have an live example which I'm facing currently in my company.
Hmm.
One of the we are payables, not receivables. Okay, my customer is declared as
Vendor.
what? No, customer.
Hmm.
My customer, yeah, I'm a payable. My customer is declared as what loss, bankruptcy,
Insolvent.
insolvent. Yeah, bankruptcy. But still, we need to pay his item. But we should
Hmm.
not recover what he is payable to us. Hope
Hmm.
you are understanding.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
unlucky.
yeah.
Hmm.
But our
Your voice.
management is telling block the receivables, just pay the things. But it is not happening because the configuration happened like is automatically everything is should pick. We are not able to
Okay.
block manually AR items. So we are not able to create payables with only documents numbers. We are stuck in that. So we have raised a TIS ticket like IT ticket.
Hmm.
We are working on that. Is there any like takeaway points from you, sir? Yeah, I can guide our team
No,
as
no,
well.
it's only standard configuration it is. So they have to allow it as a, so temporarily they have to remove that, permit this guy, get this done, and then put it back.
Yeah, we given that idea, but they're telling if we remove that customer from the SAP, like linking,
Hmm.
the reference number, what it is generating, it will miss. Again, the fund reallocations from the customer side will be difficult and you cannot allocate it.
Okay, anyhow, we are not going to knock off, na? First, we need to knock off, na?
Yes, sir.
See, first that customer, anyhow, you are not going to receive, right? So
Yes.
it should be written off first. Then
Okay.
there is no dependency on that.
A bad at certain, sir.
Exactly. First, knock
Okay.
off that, remove the
Mhm.
dependency, then remove this, take this guy, and then put everything back.
Okay. Can we block the customer, sir?
You can block. Block also you can do. Block option is the first option you have, no?
Yeah.
Block option is the first option.
So customer level, we can block it, right?
Yes, you can block.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Okay, done. So now input tax, output tax, you understood, guys? Yeah. So whatever now you tell me, guys, whatever this tax you collected, na, whose money it is?
Government.
Government. So you have to pay to government, right?
Yes.
That's why this we call it as output tax, we call it as payables. Correct? Yeah, this is payable. This is payable, understand? This is payable. This we call it input tax, whatever you receive from, you pay to vendor, now we call it as receivable. Okay, I will explain you later. So this is the input tax, we call it as receivable accounts. Output tax, what you collected from the customer, we call it as a payable accounts. Okay, tax receivable, tax payable. Yeah, okay. Just as an understanding. So quite confusion here, little bit. It is talking reverse, na? Correct, you see? Whatever you paid becomes receivable. Whatever you collected becomes payable. So students, they get confused here. The accounts are quite reverse. So what it is, there is a concept called ITC. You know ITC?
Input tax.
Input
Tax credit.
tax credit. Input tax credit. What is input tax credit? It is
Whatever is we paying, it will
input
reflect it.
input tax paid is allowed to be deducted from the output tax collected, right? Yeah, and the balance is paid to government. You understand? No? Suppose here input tax I paid is 10,000. Output tax I collected is 25,000. So then how much I have to pay to government?
15.
15,000.
15,000. Is that clear?
Yes.
That's why we call this as payable. You have to pay. Correct? Is that clear? So this is the in output tax collected from customer. How much I collected? 25,000 I collected from him. Correct or not? Customer, I charged him 25,000. I took 25,000 tax from him. And then what I did when I am buying the raw material, input tax paid to vendor. How much I paid? 10,000. So what the government is saying here? Yes, you can deduct this 10,000. And the balance payable to government.
Government.
Is that clear? So how much we have to payable now?
15,000.
Correct? This is what we call it as ITC. ITC means input tax credit. Correct? So it will permit you to deduct. Got it? Otherwise, you have to pay. If you have not paid this, you have to pay total 25,000. You got it? Yeah. Okay. So this is the tax payable to government. Now, if it is reverse, I have collected only 5,000. Input tax I paid 10,000. How much? What will happen?
1,000 negative.
We'll pay to government, or we will claim refund.
Refund.
Claim refund.
Refund,
5,000.
understand? No? Understood,
Yes, sir.
everybody? So how much
Yes.
we collected from customer? 5,000. How much we
5,000.
paid to vendor? 10,000.
10,000.
So we paid more, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is, yeah. So we can claim refund. How much refund?
5,000.
Refund of 5,000. Is that clear? Generally, we don't claim refund. What we do? Future sales we will adjust. Correct or not? You know, the government, whenever you pay, will you get it back sooner? Will you
No.
get? No. What we do? We claim from the future sales. Correct? Anyhow, you will sell now in future. In that you will claim. Okay. Yeah. Got it now, everybody? That's we call it as a. This is okay. See, this is a concept of value added tax. Right? You might be wondering what is all this. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Right. So I will tell you why this concept has come. This is all value added concept. Okay, you noted. Shall I proceed?
Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah, just one. Right, clear now. So what is this? First, we will have a see before what we topic we are talking is nothing but ITC is nothing but value added tax.
Sir, is it GST?
Yeah, this is we are I'm just giving an introduction. I'm not entered GST.
Okay.
Generally, I'm talking. Okay. See, GST is India. Correct. GST is
Yes,
goods
sir.
and services tax. Is it for India or America also?
It's for
For
India.
India only.
Correct. But tax?
Entire
Well,
Correct.
so input tax, output tax, these are all international. GST is India. Okay. Yeah, we'll come there. Now, so now general concept we should know. What is a tax? What is this? ATC means what? Yeah, we should. So now value added tax. Okay. Now value added tax. So now before value added tax, we used to have sales tax. Okay. Yeah, sales tax. Sales tax means what? With the tax is levied on full amount. Yeah, on full amount at every point of sale. Okay, that is sales tax. Before 2000, we used to have in India. Before 2000, we had sales tax. World over also it was there. Now, suppose what is it? We need to understand. Suppose there is one party, na A, Mr. A is there, Mr. B is there, Mr. C is there, and Mr. D is there. Now, Mr. A, imagine is a farmer. Na? He's a farmer. He cultivates sugarcane. Right? He is farming sugarcane. Now that sugarcane he will sell to Mr. B. The Mr. B has got an extraction unit, machinery he has where he will extract the juices, the molasses out of the sugarcane. Correct? That is a raw produce he will extract. Then that molasses he will sell to Mr. C, who is a sugar manufacturer. Proper drying the product and making it edible, na sugar. He will manufacture sugar. That sugar he will sell to Mr. D, who is a wholesaler. Okay, what this guy will do, he will commercialize the product like packing, 1 kg packet, 5 kg packet, like that. This guy is a wholesaler. Okay, so how many parties are there? A is there, who is a farmer. B is an extraction unit owner. C is a sugar manufacturer. D is the wholesaler. The 4 parties. Like that, many parties, retailer, many may be there. No? So now here, suppose now the sales, he is making sales. Sale value is how much? Suppose now 100 rupees is the worth of the sugarcane A cultivated. Now he is selling to A, B, tax at the rate of 10%. So how much is the tax now? 10 rupees. So he is selling how much to B?
110.
110. He is selling for 110. Okay. Correct? Yeah. Now B is adding something, na? Right? Some labor cost from power units, na? All that. So now, B is working on that. So there is a cost of another 90 rupees. Okay. So he extracted the juices, no molasses. Now there is a tax at the rate of 10%. So how much is the tax now?
20 rupees.
Total 200, no? Correct?
Total
110 plus 90, how much it is?
200.
200.
20
On
rupees
that
tax.
tax is how much?
20 rupees.
Yeah, on that. So let me add one more line. So here it is 200. On that tax will be
20.
tax will be 20 rupees. Correct? Agree. And then he will sell to C how much? 220. Correct. Now C will add some more cost, no? Right? Like commercializing, drying the sugar cane, manufacturing the sugar, 80 rupees. So total how much it is, no?
300.
300. On that tax at the rate of 10%.
10%.
Yeah, suppose I'm just uniform tax I'm levying. So how much is the tax, no? 30. So he will sell to C D how much?
330.
330. Is that clear? This is what we are discussing is the sales tax. Okay. So how much is the tax collected here? Can you tell me? Tax collected how much? Government will get how much?
60 rupees.
Yeah, it will be 10 plus 20
20
plus
plus
30 plus
30. Correct? Okay. So total how much tax government is getting?
30
Government
60
is
rupees.
getting 60 rupees. Correct? 60. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Now, so this is so what are the problems here? So when I levy tax like this, what is the problem here? There are some problems. What are the problems?
Every stage amount will be getting more.
Yeah. So what are the problem here? One, same amount is taxed multiple times.
Multiple times.
Correct. So what do I mean by that? See, in this 200, this 100 is there, na?
It's already taxed.
Already taxed, right? Again, you are taxing second time. In this 300 also, this 100 is there.
Yes, sir.
Again, you are taxed. So first time, second time, third time. If there are 10 people down the line, 10 times. You understand the point?
Then it is benefit for government.
It is
Customer
a
loss.
benefit for government, correct. And customer bombarded with the tax. Correct? Good. So same amount we are taxing na, every time. So that is first problem. Second problem is we call it as cascading effect. Means what? Cascading effect means what? Cascading effect means tax on tax. What do I mean by that? Imagine in this 110, in this 200, 110 is there? Yes.
Yes.
In then 110 tax is there, 10 rupees? Yes. So in this 110, in this 20 rupees, the tax, imagine if it is in this tax, I don't take forward. Imagine I take only amount. Tax I don't. Here it will be how much? 190. Na? How much will be the tax?
19 rupees.
19. So this 1 rupee extra I am getting on the tax, no? Correct or not? So in this, because I am not taking 100, I am taking tax also. The total is coming to 200. And the tax increasing by 1
100
rupee. So it's like, I collect more tax. On the tax, I will have to pay again tax. It's like tax on the tax. If previously I paid a tax, on that also I have to pay the tax. You understand the point?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So these are the two main problems. As a result, what was happening? No, the goods are very, very expensive. Lot of tax. Correct? So world over, they moved to reduce the taxes on the people. They moved to value added tax. Means only on the value addition we want to levy the tax. So your value added by Mr. A is how much? 100 rupees. Your value added by Mr. B how much? 90. Your value added by Mr. C how much? 80. So on that only I want to levy the tax. So here on 100, 10 rupees. On 90, 9 rupees. On 80, 8 rupees. That is the way I want to do, only on the value addition. So how I will get it is, see here, same concept. Okay, let me take it. Let me tell you the difference. So let me draw the line first. This is important to understand. Then you will understand ITC.
So please scroll up the notepad.
1 minute. Okay, now this is the picture, na? This is the
Yes.
picture. So here in value added tax, what will happen is we don't take the tax forward. We don't take. So we take only 100 only.
190.
Correct. So how much will be there?
190.
190 will be there. So tax will be how much?
9 rupees.
No, 10, 19.
19.
19,
Okay.
19.
So here how much will go now?
200.
No, we don't take tax forward. No, so it will take 190.
190.
So how much will be there?
270.
270. So how much will be the tax now?
27.
27. So then what we do, this is only taxes, only value will be moving forward. 100 will move forward, 190 will move forward, 270 will
270.
move forward, like that, right? So the D is getting for what amount now? D will get
270.
it for
297.
297 only he will get. Correct? How? So here, what is there? So here we have like input tax, output tax. Okay, you say now tax however, input tax, output tax. Okay, what is the output tax collected by A?
10.
From the
10
customer.
rupees. From the customer, na?
Yes.
What is output tax collected by B from C?
19.
19 rupees. What is output tax collected by C from
27.
D?
27.
27. Correct? Next. What is the input tax they paid?
0.
0.
0. Correct? 0, na? Yeah, then he paid how much?
10.
9 rupees.
10.
10, na?
10, 10, sir.
This guy paid how much?
19.
90.
90. Correct? So how much tax payable now? Tax payable?
10 rupees.
Payable by Mr. A how much?
10
10.
rupees.
Tax payable by
9.
Mr. B how much?
9
How-
rupees.
Mr. C how much?
8.
8
8
rupees.
rupees.
So total tax how much?
27.
Total tax collected is 10 plus
9 plus 8.
9 plus 8. So are you levying the tax only on the value added or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we come here, end of the day, on 100 I am levying 10 rupees. On 90 I am levying 9.
9 rupees.
On 80 I am levying,
8 rupees.
that is the mode. So now our products will become cheaper, right? It will be cheaper. So you are able to get it 297 only. Previous you are paying 330. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay, first you note down, you understand the difference now? So to bring in value added tax, we have this concept. Otherwise, very difficult, no? How you will levy tax on the value added? Impossible, no? That's all. Okay? Yeah. So this is minus 10 rupees you minus here, 19 rupees you minus here. You understand the concept? So previously we were using a sales tax, that is not correct, heavy taxation. So we want to bring in value added tax. That's how this concept has come, ITC. So this is what we call it as a ITC. Na? Yeah. Input tax credit. Input tax credit. Okay, no done. I'll give you time. No done.
Just scroll up.
No, others are writing this after that time.
Okay.
So our in India, our GST also, it's like this one. In GST also we have input tax, output tax. Input GST, output GST.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow day.
Yes, ma. Tomorrow day after no class. Next class will be on Monday.
Yes.
Let me know once you completed, guys. Anybody not understood this?
Understood, sir, but a little difficult.
It is very, if you miss one aspect, it will confuse you.
Yeah.
Value added tax.
Now we are in sales tax or value added tax. Which one?
Value
Value
added
added
tax.
tax.
VAT. No? Yeah, we
VAT.
don't
So it
say. We
started,
don't say. What?
sir, it
Pulse
started
expense.
since 2000 only, sir. You said that sales tax till the 2000 were there. After 2000, they
Before
have,
Yes. In
since
2000.
2000,
So see, in India, actually world over, they shifted in 1970s only. 1970s, 1980s, they shifted to VAT. But in India, they shifted after 2000. Why? Every government they come, no? They work
Yes.
hard to win elections. Now they say, now you suddenly drop me from 330 to 297 means how I will get the money. Correct? They said next government will. Then next government says next government will. Like that they dragged 20 years. Okay. So they were bombarding. Imagine for 300 rupees, it is 33 rupees difference is coming. Imagine there is a sales of 300 million, or on that how much tax they minted. Correct? Right.
Sir, can you please unmute Dharani, please?
Dharani, she joined late.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, fine. So many people joined late. Yes. Yeah, Dharani, your
Yes,
data problem, na?
yes, sir. Yes.
So we'll do something about it. I told him yesterday. We'll see. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
You
sir.
in the meantime, you try to create something. If
Okay,
possible,
sir.
we will get. Yeah.
Actually, it has happened to me as well, sir. I have asked in group. They said me to create freshly, but after one day, I have restart. I mean, I have tried again.
Uh,
Then my vendor, my supplier, my customer is still there. So maybe if Dharani can try again.
No, sir, I have tried yesterday. Today also I have logged into the system, but my data
Okay.
is lost.
just
And they were saying,
wait for 1-2 hours. Ma. Let me take updates from him. You will get it. Okay. We'll see.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please could you provide me the notes, sir, from
Notes
tax
from
withholding?
what withholding tax? Huh?
Yes, sir.
It's there, no? Material soft copy you have.
Yes, sir, I have that.
In that it is there, ma. Step by step, it is very clearly given. Just have a look at it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Okay, done. So I was saying that this VAT concept is state government actually. Correct. This VAT is money goes to state government.
So
So
once
the
explain the weight, sir.
VAT. Yeah, VAT means what I am doing. We want to levy tax on the value addition only. Value added. So what is the value added by Mr. A?
10,
100
100,
rupees.
100.
What is the value added by Mr. B?
90.
90. Value added by Mr. C, how much?
80.
80. Only on that we want to levy the tax. That is 10% on 100, 10 rupees. 10% on 90, 9 rupees. 10% on 80, 8 rupees. But
Yes.
how do I do when I'm making sales now? How do
Yes.
I make it happen? Right, so it's a big theme. Na? So that's all. So they thought, okay, you do one thing. You on the total amount, you put the tax, and then whatever you paid, you can deduct. So that's how the concept has. Correct. So whatever is the total amount, on that you collect the tax, and whatever you paid before, you can deduct, and the balance you can pay. Okay, that's how the CERC. See, A collected 10 rupees na, from B.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
10. How much he paid before him? Nobody is there na, so 0. So total how much he has to pay now? 10 rupees.
10
B,
rupees.
B collected how much from Mr.
19
C?
rupees.
19. How much he paid to A?
10
10
rupees.
rupees. So 19 minus 10, 9 rupees.
Okay.
So basically, so this is total sales and total purchaser, right? Like regardless of number of transactions. So total
Correct.
sales of a
Yeah.
company.
So
Yes, yes.
whatever is your sales, on all the sales you have the output taxes. On all the purchases you have input taxes. You can claim all these input taxes from these output taxes. Is it clear?
So
And the
earlier
balance,
there was no tax on the there was no output tax, just the sales tax. Right?
exactly. So every time you
Okay.
sell, you pay.
Hmm.
You collect, you pay. You collect, you
ఇందాక
pay.
ఉంటే రెండు ఆడుంటే తీసేస్తాం కూడా.
Background noise. Yeah. Got it now? So this is gone now. Don't worry. This is gone. This is the old. Nobody is doing like this. Okay. So right now, this is the to solve these problems. These are the problems. To solve this problem, we brought the VAT concept, that is ITC concept. Okay, so all the taxes, including GST, they are all VAT only now. So there will be output GST, there will be input GST.
In
Okay,
India, it will be collected by the state only, sir.
now it is not previously.
Okay.
Now it is
Now after
GST.
GST, it is totally slightly variant.
Okay.
Previously, when we brought in 2000, no,
Yes,
state
yes.
government, it was a state government.
Okay.
Okay, so now state governments were reluctant. Central government wanted to shift from sales to VAT, but state government, they said, no, we don't want. So
Okay.
they took like 10 years, they took from 2000 to 2010. 2010, last government was Tamil Nadu. They brought in sales VAT last. Okay.
Can you show me from Dunning procedure, sir? Dunning.
Dunning, 1 minute. So everybody
Yeah.
noted now, I'll go up little bit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is today's notes. This is what I discussed. That is the customer as vendor. Now Dunning procedure. Dunning. Where is that Dunning? Yeah, here. Yeah. No doubt. To create the Dunning procedure, the T code is
FBMP.
EM.
okay. No doubt.
Okay, sir, you can go up.
Okay. Yeah. So Dunning is this is what Dunning. Yeah.
Okay, sir. And this one, good customer.
Yeah. Bad customer, good customer. We did that. Then we talked about bad debts. Okay. Right,
Okay,
guys,
sir.
do this, guys. Customer as vendor. We will talk about taxes on Monday then. Yeah. And any backlog is there, try to clear over weekend.
Sir, what
Sir,
the process
can you
called this, sir, customer and vendor we have
roll on?
discussed today in first class.
Same customer as vendor, vendor as customer. So
Sir,
he will
dotted
ask
name.
you.
Customer state vendor.
Yeah. So he will
Okay.
ask you, I have a customer like this who is also my vendor. I want to do like this. How to do? No? Where is the option where I can connect them? There
Okay.
is the option, the control data option. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you scroll a bit down?
Further.